Top of the morning to you. We're in the Tone It Up kitchen, and I have asked Kat to make me her favorite morning smoothie.
Yes, this is my go-to, and I think Karina will love it, fancy it. Okay, so actually, you'll be my my Vanna White.
Yes.
Okay, so I don't measure, but I will put measurements at the link below, so that way you can make it accurately. But I literally grab and go.
Expert smoothie maker.
Yes. Okay,
Don't
so we're
need to
making
measure.
I don't like measurements. I don't know why. 2 little handfuls of. You smell it?
Well, because cauliflower has an odor to it.
Does it?
Yeah, smell it.
I've never even smelled it before.
Yeah.
So frozen cauliflower, totally weird, I know, but it makes smoothies
I agree with
so smooth and delicious. You agree that it's weird or delicious?
No, delicious.
It's crazy, but if you want to have your smoothie be a little smooth, you know, ice can sometimes be really like just icy. Like,
Yeah,
I don't know,
and instead
slushy.
of like a banana, cauliflower gives it like, it doesn't have a taste to it. Once it's in your smoothie, it gives you that creamy texture without the taste of anything.
Accidentally, for like a week, I was like, why does my smoothie taste so weird? And I kept putting frozen cauliflower. It's because it was pre-seasoned. It was frozen pre-seasoned. I know.
Like cayenne, like
Yeah,
salt, pepper,
like salt,
cayenne,
pepper, like it was weird.
seasonings.
Yeah, it's like garlic. I'm like, ugh, what is going on? Actually, you would have loved it.
Yeah.
Okay, handful of ice. That's it. And a little coffee. You can also do, I did a shot of espresso or 2. And then this is also a little secret. It makes it a little crunchy. Espresso beans. Oh, you love this.
I do. Oh,
got,
no,
ooh.
I said, ooh, to that.
Oh.
Are we
Don't
putting-
put this whole thing in.
Oh.
Just a little.
I
Yeah, don't. We're gonna be hyper.
Woo!
We're gonna get some work done today. And then almond milk or coconut milk or whatever nut milk you love. And she's smelling everything.
I like scents.
And the final ingredient, Tone It Up protein. Woohoo! So this is a morning mocha smoothie. So we're using chocolate. Sniff that.
That smells like brownies.
I can smell it from over here.
Yeah.
Like it does. It smells like fresh brownies out of the oven. So gooey and delicious. And this is in Target. We're so proud that this is on the shelves for you girls, so you can head to your local Target, and we are there.
Yes, and actually, when we cook with this, when we actually make brownies or cookies with this, your whole kitchen and house smells like fresh baked cookies.
Yeah,
brownies.
and you don't have to tell your friends that they're healthy. All right, we're gonna do a scoop. You.
So I know you always make smoothies with coffee. You have a few different varietals of coffee smoothies.
Yes.
So I'm excited to taste this one from you.
All right.
All right,
So-
ready to dance it off? Okay.
All right. Woohoo! All right. So this is our favorite part, the taste test. Now, if you're rushing around in the morning and you want to make this, you can bring it in the car, bring it to work. It's a great breakfast on the go. And
Getting creamy. Ooh, made a little mess.
if you also are headed to the gym in the morning, this is the perfect like pre-workout jolt. So good. All right.
And make
And
it
then
even.
I have a little surprise for you, Karina. My favorite chocolate covered espresso beans. Just
What,
we're
on
gonna-
top?
We're just gonna turn it into a little treat. And you know what we have to do? Are you cleaning it up? Whenever you make a smoothie, you have to check in, right?
Hold on, let me clean it. Let's make sure
Flat lay,
everything's clean.
Pretty
nice and
straws.
neat.
pretty
Hurry up,
straws, check.
They're gonna
Wait,
sink
put your hand in there so it's like really like, yeah.
the manicure.
Oh, nope. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I usually leave my
I'll
hands
do one.
out.
I'll do one without. Sometimes when you don't have a manicure, we'll like take a picture and be like. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers, girl. Cheers. See how it's thick too? It's so delicious. And it's so easy. You're eating the little chocolate. Isn't that so good?
I know why you like this too, because The coffee beans give it a little texture.
Yes. I'm all about texture. So are you too.
I like the crunch.
Yeah. We love you girls so much. We'll see you later on Instagram, #TIU team, and also take a picture, a little flat lay of your morning mocha smoothies and let us know. Oh, and you should also do like taste tests with someone too, like Karina. Show us their reaction.
All right, let me swallow before I talk. Remember, everything is better when it's shared with someone else. So, love you, and we will see you online.
When we see you.
Online, on Insta.